Hello and welcome to the Black Mesa Hazard Course, where you will be trained in the use of the Hazardous Environment Suit. I am your holographic assistant. Let's begin by stepping into your suit. You can see it suspended up ahead of you. If you see one of these buttons, press it, and I will appear to demonstrate certain moves.
Welcome to the HEV Mark IV Protective System for use in hazardous environment conditions.
Moving around in your HEV suit can be slightly disorienting. The first move we will practice in the hazard course is basic jumping. You will attempt to get over this set of pipes using only your run and jump commands. It helps to get a running start. Watch me and then try it yourself.
Good work. Those new suits can be tricky. Please proceed to the next area.
You will now duck under the next set of obstacles. Please note that crouching will automatically shift your
I hardly noticed you.
Now we will combine skills. You will need to jump, duck, and then jump again. This will
Good
be
work.
for the next
You look
move.
prepared.
To get into these pipes, you will have to signal your suit to make a duck jump. You'll want to stand right at the mouth of the pipe and continue to press forward. Then jump up, and while you're in midair, go into a crouch. It's tricky, but you'll find it comes in handy. Nice job. Walk directly into the ladder, look up, and continue moving forward. If you want to come back down, just move back. The next 3 jumps get harder each time. Keep trying. You'll get it. Don't be surprised if you miss the last one a time or two. If you can make all 3 in a continuous run, you are doing well. Great work. Now there's one more style of jumping you need to learn. Own charging module, seen here. To activate your long jump,
Activated.
Nice job. Please start the lift. Now that you're up here, there's only one way down. Find the target on the floor below and do your best to hit it. If you take any damage from the fall, we will administer medical care at the next station. To restore your health, walk up to a med kit and press your use key. Your health will recover gradually until you are at full health or the kit is depleted. Once the light goes out, a med kit cannot be reused. To spin that bridge, walk up to the control wheel and press the use key. Fantastic. Sometimes you'll need to rely on more than just your suit to get through a tight place. Try jumping this gap on your own. What you really need to do is push that box down into the pit. Pushing is easy. Just move forward again. If you can't push the obstacle out of your way, you might try pulling it. To pull a box, move up to it and press your use key. While holding down the use key to keep a grip on the box, Move slowly. Come along. Finally, if nothing else works, you can try breaking the object in the path. Once you've picked up the crowbar, then shoot through the debris. Activate your suit flashlight for the next area.
Power 15%. Power 30%. Power 45%. Power 60%. Power 70%.
Great. Remember, your flashlight drains power, so switch it off when you don't need it. Welcome to the Black Mesa Target Range, where you will receive training in firing a weapon, reloading, and firing the attached grenade launcher. Please pick up your weapon and advance to the firing station. You'll have to hit every target in order to complete the course, but if you miss the first time, don't worry, it will come around again. Try to reload during pauses rather than waiting to run out of ammunition at a critical time. To fire your grenade launcher, use your alternate fire button. Certain targets will break only when hit by grenades. Commencing sequence in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mesa target range. Please advance to the next area. Your HEV suit monitors...
Major fracture detected. Automatic medical systems...
Come up and catch your breath. You will see the blood oxygen indicator on your suit's heads-up display returning to its previous level. You are free to swim on to the end of the course. This is the charging unit for your hazardous environment. If you are running low on power, step up to any charger and press your... If you pass through fire or steam, you will see a heat damage icon lighting up. Directional indicators at the center of your display show you where damage is coming from. Proximity to radiation activates a Geiger counter and radiation display. Biohazards are also indicated with a luminous icon.
Warning. Hazardous radiation levels detected.
Please advance to the next area. Lead a security guard into the next room. He will let you back into the transit system. You must approach a guard and press your use key. He will follow you until you face him and
This place is a lot bigger
Yes,
than I thought.
I will follow you if you
Sure,
wish.
I'll follow you.
Press your use key to engage the train. Press your forward. Congratulations on completing the Black Mesa Hazard course. You are now fully certified for use of the HEV Mark IV protective system.